Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and we're going to talk about double straight leg stretch or lower lift here on your C-Shaper.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So double straight leg stretch is what I like to call it. Some people call it lower lift because it's shorter. On the C-Shaper is one of my favorite places to play with double straight leg stretch because it's such an easy exercise for us to cheat ourselves out of when we're on the mat. It's so easy for you to lean back and not notice you're doing it, and then, or to arch your lower back or pull your legs up from your hip flexors. And you don't notice it because you don't have that feedback. That's why the mat is like the most advanced practice. It's going to make you be honest. And sometimes it's hard to be honest because you don't know you're cheating. So the C-Shaper really does give us this feedback. I put the C-Shaper in the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcard deck because it is the reverse of the barrels, of the spine corrector and the ladder barrel. It's literally the other curve, and it really helps us learn our longest flexion, which is so key because it's easy for us to all flex from our shoulders or by slouching or slunging, right? So this is a really good tool for giving you amazing feedback on that. You typically get into double straight leg stretch from single straight leg stretch. So you would have your legs up, one leg would be in your hands, the other leg would be away, and you just bring both legs up. So you'd already be in the spot on the C-Shaper that provides the longest round shape for you when it'll be slouching here. Easier is to put your hands on the corners. Harder is going to be to put your hands behind your head, pushing your head into your hands. So I'm going to push my head into my hands as my legs lower and lift. And oh, my ribs came off. So now I know as my legs go low, if I want to go that low, I have to pull my waist back, and then I pull my waist back to lift my legs up. So I got even more inner thighs and hamstrings because I focus on keeping my waist pulling into the C-Shaper. And you don't have to do a lot of these to feel them working. So you do a few, and then after you do the C-Shaper, you would get on the mat, and then you'd start with the 100 and see how well the C-Shaper helps set you up for your mat practice. So I hope that you're able to play with the barrels flashcards and even the mat flashcards and see how these exercises all work together. If you have questions or comments about double straight leg stretch, please put them in the comments below. I do answer the questions live on Sundays. If you're an OnlinePilatesClasses.com member, you can put them in our members only community. I'll answer them there. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I hope that you do. Just hit the bell and the notifications button so you never miss a video from us. Have an amazing day.